This is my first car, 2005 Swift. Bought it second hand in the year 2017, and it's been 21 years. The car is old, still driving strong. What was your first car? Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be about my 2005 Swift. मैंने ये कार खरीदी थी in the year 2017 for around 1.25 lakhs, and it was my first big purchase ever. It's been what 21 years old now. This car has been there, and this is one of the oldest batch of the car. So far it is running good. I love this car a lot. I've been driving this car all around. So quickly let's get inside the car, and let me drive you around and share my overall experiences, my memories. So driving this car still feels like for the first time. I still remember when I drove this car for the first time in the year 2017. It was a very different feeling. People who have bought their first car can definitely relate कि एक अलग तरह का proud feeling and you feel a different sort of happiness जब आप अपनी खुद की first car चलाते हो. It's not just a car, it's a part of the family. It's our first family car and I remember all of us were very happy. बहुत सारी यादें, बहुत सारे अच्छे memories इस कार में बने हैं. We have been to a lot of places. The specific reason I bought this car at that point of time was due to Max. Max is my dog. You have seen him in the previous videos. Because उसको कहीं लेके जाना हुआ नहीं, loves to travel a lot. तो उसके लिए सबसे best था ये moment to take him everywhere. Apart from that, this car has been a very core part of the family. We have done so many family trips. We have been to Lavasa. I've taken Max out for a couple of weekend trips. I've taken him for waterfall and a lot of places. I have driven this car to Bangalore twice, twice to Hyderabad, multiple times to Goa, and to the Konkan front. I don't even remember कितनी बार गए हैं वहाँ पे भी. So this car has been very unique and a key part of my life. बहुत सारे emotions है इस कार में जो I know, and बहुत सारे बड़े decisions, life changing decisions, career growth ये कार में हुए हैं. And a lot of decisions I have taken in this car. I have sat in this car for hours and hours thinking about my future, my plans, and whoever I am right now. This car has seen everything since the beginning of it. So I remember जब मैंने ये कार first time ली थी, the paint was almost worn off. So after some time, after saving some money, I decided I'll repaint this car. So मैंने पूरी कार को repaint करवाया था. I did the engine work, चेजेस में जहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा रस्टिंग था वो सारा काम करवाया था. एंड दिस हाउ द कार लुक्ड back then when it was completely painted, and now also the car runs very smoothly. I recently drove to Bangalore. It's 1,000 kilometers, so I did 2,000 kilometers in 2 days, and I was driving around an average speed of 120 to 130, and at point where I thought the engine might overheat or any such kind of things might happen, but to my surprise the car performed extremely well. And I also got an average of around what I think 20 or 21 kilometers per liter, which was very good. So बहुत सारी अच्छी memories है इस कार में, and I would like to share few with you. I remember there was an incident, I think in 2018 or 19 during the month of July, and was driving this car around everywhere, and बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही थी, and I saw an Innova which was filled with the entire family. और आई थिंक वो लोग कहीं शादी से आ रहे थे, एंड द पूरा एंड the car was stuck in water. It was submerged in water because there was a water logging, and I was having fun. I was driving through the water and enjoying, but then I saw one uncle asking for help and I stopped. But I realized that if I shut down my car would stop because the water was almost to the top level of my tire. So what I did, I checked with the uncle, and he said because the engine got heated, something had happened with the car, and the Innova had broken down, and it was filled with children, and a lot of women were there in the car. So he asked me if we could push. So I tried pushing the car. It did not work. So he had a towing cable, the towing rope he had. So I tried I tried to tie the rope to my front hook and to the rear hook of the Innova, and I tried pulling it off. Initially it was very difficult, but after a lot of efforts, I got the momentum, and I was able to drag the entire Innova for almost 500 to 600 meters. Sorry, 50 to 60 meters, not 500, 50 to 60 meters out of the water. And that is the moment I realized the potential of the car and the power it has. It is a 2005 petrol engine, but the amount of torque it generates is really good. I mean, I could smell my clutch plate burning, but at that point of time, it was not more about the clutch plate and the family that was in need. And बहुत ही small incident था वो, but it gave me a good life lesson that if you trust your car, if you trust your engine, and if you have faith that you can do some things, it really happens. And at that point of time I never thought about कि मेरे engine पे कुछ load आ जाएगा और clutch plate might burn off or any other thing could happen. My only intent was to get this family out of that, and somehow it happened, and I was so glad about it. That is one of the most amazing memory I have with this car. Then I remember this car is a manual car. इसमें कोई automatic features like touch screen, reverse camera, and airbags. All these features are not there. Those were not a feature back then. But aftermarket मैंने install करवाया था. And I remember a funny moment which I would like to share. मैंने aftermarket auto cop लगवाया था, which you helped me with locking the car automatically. And when it is a company fitted, there are a lot of use cases where the company makes sure कि अगर आप कार से बाहर निकलते भी हो, the car does not get auto lock even if the key is inside and all. So I had no idea because it was my first time, and मैंने वो auto cop का key लेके I got the lock installed, and near the station I went to pick something up. I quickly got down, the car was on, and after 10 seconds the car got auto locked. Now the key and the fob both was inside the car, and I had no way of opening the car other than just breaking the window. Then I remembered I have a spare key in my house, so I booked an Ola. I went back 2 kilometers to my house. I got the key, and it took me around 20 minutes till the time the car was on the station running. People were just coming and staring that the car is on and nobody's in the car. And that is how I realized that I should never leave the car on, or as a matter of fact never leave the car fob inside the car. So ये कुछ चीजें with experience I have learned within the period of time, and I think that is how everybody learns, through mistakes. When you're driving around, you make mistakes, and that gives you a lesson, and that is how you grow. This is how I have learned a lot about the car. There are a couple of bad experiences as well, and those are mostly because of my negligence. So there was an incident where there was a small leak in the coolant, and I did not give it much of an attention. And the traffic में मैं जा रहा था, and suddenly the engine signal came on the dashboard. I saw that, but I thought it's not very major, and I kept driving, and I got stuck in the traffic. And because it was very hot, the car got heated a lot, and suddenly there was a smoke coming out of the bonnet, and people around me started running. Even I, at some point of time, thought that the car will explode. And I came out of the car. Then somebody told me to just open the bonnet, switch off the car, and then I realized it was not a major thing. The coolant had completely been drained out. That is the reason the engine got overhauled, like it got heated. So I had to add some water, and then I realized, because it was very initial. It was, I think, 2019 or something. It was only 2 years I got the car. So I realized, buying a car is easy, but maintaining it properly takes a lot of tasks, and you have to, keep checking your oil, your coolant, your brake oil, and a lot of things. And you have to keep it serviced every time. So from that, I have made sure that whenever I'm going on a big trip, I make sure that my car is properly serviced, so that I don't have to face such kind of issues going forward. एक और ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ था where because the car is very old, there was one of my tire जो चेंज करना रह गया था. I had installed 3 tires, but there was one tire which was a spare, and I forgot to change it. So that back then I did not change the entire set. I used to change one tire at a time whenever I used to get money. So वो टायर बहुत ही खराब हो चुका था, and it got punctured in the middle of the road. And by that time I had the jack and the stepney in my car, so I removed that spare tire. And when I was lifting the car, there is a small plate at the bottom of the car, right, which you put the jack into, and then you push the car up. In my case, what happened when I tried to push the car up, it broke. and we were stuck in the middle of the road. I had no idea what can be done. So instead, what I did is I put the jack at the chases below, and I tried to lift the car accordingly. It didn't work. It didn't work. Instead, what happened that the jack completely punched through my car, पंच टू माई कार एंड जहाँ पे ये फुटबोर्ड है वो पूरा का पूरा ऊपर आ गया था एंड इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू देन पुट इट डाउन सो आई कॉल्ड अ लोकल मैकेनिक जो नियर बाय में था ही ब्रॉट हिज कार ही टोड माई कार टू द सर्विस सेंटर then with the machine he lifted the car up and the tire got changed so I realized that a lot of things you experiment on your own and a lot of things goes good but majorly it turns out bad as well. So ये एक one of the experience था which I faced while changing the tire. Apart from that, there was one accident I had. So I refueled in the night and I was making a U-turn. So there was this truck which was right in front of me, and I tried to overtake him, but it didn't go well. So basically, there was a road construction happening in the middle of the road, and I was on the leftmost lane, and I tried to overtake him on the right. And the moment I came in the rightmost lane, I saw that the road construction is ongoing. Before I could brake, my car just slammed on the divider, and this is how the car looked back then. For 10-15 seconds, I was unconscious. There were people who were surrounded near the car, but none of them tried to help me. I would not say help me, but they were just looking at it, and I think 10-15 seconds तक मैं पूरा बेहोश था. The moment I got my conscious, right side का front wheel पूरा it was lifted up. I came out of the car and I tried to ask for help, but these people didn't know how to help me out. So I called one of my friend. He got his car. Then we somehow got the big stone out of that car because उसके ऊपर वो car चढ़ गई थी, and my front engine and the radiator was completely damaged. So these are all the experiences I would say and bad memories which I had experienced so far. But I've also learned from them that driving is also risky. You have to take care of all the safety hazards, safety measures. Now airbags are there, but back then these all things were not there. So seat belt and all is very important because at any point of time anything can happen. So you have to be very careful about that. So like this, I come to the places जहाँ पे peaceful हो. This is a backside road जहाँ पे कुछ construction चल रहा है. So I've taken this car to multiple places like this to just chill out, enjoy the evening sunset. By the way, एक amazing sunset हो रहा है वहाँ पे. So good bad memories हो गए, and there was one time I remember I drove this car on the beach and it was very fun, but at the end when I was supposed to take the car out, वहाँ पे sand थोड़ा ज़्यादा steep था and the car got stuck inside. It took me 2 hours to get the car out, and we were completely exhausted. बहुत ही bad memory था वो, and I would never recommend anybody to drive the car on the beach, specifically when you don't know how the sand is going to be, because it can get very tedious, and it can also damage your brakes and your chases and a lot of things. But yes, so far the experience have been very good with the car. So 21 years this car has seen almost everything, and I am very proud that I bought this car back then, because अगर मैं तभी वो कार नहीं खरीदता, then I would have missed out on a lot of experiences जो मैं अभी तक ले चुका हूँ. And this kind of places reminds me that it was a very good decision that I bought this car early. तो मैं कुछ ऐसी जगह पे जा पाया. And एक और funny experience मैं बताना भूल गया. So like I don't know more about tires, and back then I had no idea about it. So what I did, there was a time when the tire was supposed to change, and there was a local guy जो हमारे यहाँ पे था. The uncle used to fill up the air and everything. So what I did is I went to him. I told him कि मुझे ना कार के टायर्स चेंज करवाने हैं, and he told me that हाँ उनके पास कुछ used tires हैं which were not very new but hardly used. So he suggested those tires to me, and मुझे पता ज़्यादा था नहीं टायर्स के बारे में, तो मैंने वो टायर्स चेंज करवा दिए. And here is the photo. आप एक बार ये फ़ोटो देख लो. This were the tires they had installed on my car. So basically, this is a 15-inch tire, I guess. This is a 15-inch tire which I have on the car right now. And he gave me a 14-inch tire which was of a WagonR. And according to him, those were the right tires. So, ऐसे कुछ funny incidents थे. And the worst part is, I was driving that car with those 14 inch tires for almost a month, and everybody staring at me were wondering that what is wrong with the car. And even I felt कि कुछ ज़्यादा बुरा दिख नहीं रहा है. But now when I go back and see those photos, I realize what terrible mistake I had done. So ऐसे कुछ funny incidents भी हुए थे, which makes me realize that it's been a so long journey of 9 years that I have been driving this car around, and almost everything has been changed now apart from the clutch plate. Surprisingly, the clutch plate has survived for long. I'm not sure before 2017 when I bought the car अगर change हुआ होगा तो नहीं, but the windshield is new, the headlamps were new. As I said, the car got completely painted, the tires are new, this logos I have installed recently. I just get to change this number plate because abhi as per the new rule, because the car was not running and I have just done the green tax passing, so it has to be as per the latest norms. I've registered it, the plate is coming on the way. I am thinking of modifying this car, but I need to get this completely checked. पूरा tune करके देखना पड़ेगा if the engine is still capable of running on for a long time. अगर ऐसे होता है, and if you know any car enthusiast who does the restoration of a car entirely, exterior तो मैं करवा लूँगा, but about the engine I'm not very sure. But recently I've seen couple of videos where 2001 की Zen और Maruti S-Team have been installed with Code 6, have been tuned with Code 6. So I am thinking of checking out with them as well. तो थोड़ा सा इसको थोड़ा रेस कार की तरह बना सकते हैं कि नहीं, not sure, just a thought in my mind. But if you guys know anyone and if you're watching this video here, then do comment down below. I would really like to take a suggestion there. So yes, that was pretty much it guys. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो, then do hit the like button. Comment down below what you think about this video, and if you still have your first car और आपने उसको नहीं बेचा है, then let me know what was your first car and what are you doing with it right now. With that said, I'll end this video over here. I'm more active on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. I'm more active there. And yes, one last request, अगर यहाँ तक आपने वीडियो देखा है, then channel को please subscribe करना, it's free and it also helps the channel to grow. I'll see you guys in the upcoming video. Bye bye. And जाने से पहले ये वाला शॉट ज़रूर देख के जाना.